Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to send money from Venmo to Cashapp using Paxful in 2023. While it's important to note that this method may have some certain risks and may not be officially supported, but I will walk you through the process, so please proceed with caution and ensure that you comply with the terms and conditions of Venmo, Cashapp, and even Paxful. So let's dive right into it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type paxful.com and hit the enter button. That should take you directly to the dashboard if you're already logged in into your account on the Paxful website. If it's your first time, you'll find yourself at the home screen or main screen of Paxful website, and from there you'll have to log in into your account if you have an account, and if you don't have an account, you'll have to go and create your own account. Of course, just click on register and follow the prompt to create your account. It's going to be pretty simple. And before we start with anything, make sure you are completely set up. So recheck if you have your money on Venmo and you have a Cash App app in your phone as an example or account. And if you don't have an account, you can simply go and create your own. It's going to be pretty simple steps. And of course, if you're stuck with anything, you can simply go and check our videos in this channel. You will have the option or a video how to create your Cash App account. So once you're set up, make sure to verify your phone number, email address, and 2FA, which is two-factor authentication. Of course, this will secure your account, so your funds will be protected if you have some in Paxful. Of course, verifying your phone number and email address will be necessary so you can make trades on this Paxful app or website. So once you're done, you can simply go and start by having or clicking on this drop-down menu on buy and simply choose whatever you want to buy. I suggest you to go with this USDT. There is a lot of buyers there, so simply go and click on it. And of course, make sure to simply go to this left panel. Here we are going to choose whatever suits us. So we are going to pay with our Venmo because, as we said, we would like to transfer Venmo to Cash App. So as you can see, we find Venmo here. Click on it, and I want to spend. You can choose whatever currency you want. And of course, choose even location. Worldwide is going to be better because there's no problem on having like a buyer from, I don't know, from the bottom of the world, from the top of the world, and you live in the other side, so it's not going to be a problem. Once you check everything or enter everything you want here, click on find offers. Once you do so, you'll find the offers from here. So from here, you can go and choose whatever offer suits you depending on the price, on this minimum purchase and maximum purchase. And if they are verified, and of course you can go and check their feedback and check if they have any other informations that you would like to have. Even make sure to check this trade speed. Once you choose whatever buyer suits you, you can simply go and click on buy. Once you do so, you will be taken to this page. Here, you'll have to go and enter the amount of USDT that you want to buy or the amount of USD that you want to spend or send from Venmo to Cash App. Here as an example, I'm just going to type I want to buy like 300 USDT. So that's what I have to pay from my Venmo account. As you can see, the buyer or to buy Tether from this user, you'll need to verify your email or to verify your email address and phone number. As we said before, you'll have to go and do them. But if you didn't do it yet, you can simply click on start verification and you will do it from here. Once you do so, you'll come back here and you will find a buy option. Click on it, and you'll have your USDT right away in your account. Of course, you can always scroll down and see what's about this seller. As you can see, he has a lot or large amount of positive feedbacks with zero negative feedback. Of course, this is almost impossible. So users like this or buyers like this exist, but you will not find the zero always. So don't worry if you find like 3, 4, 5, 10 or something like that. And you can see average trade speed is 1 minute. So he's trusted and he's also verified by Paxful. So once you have your USDT, you can simply go to this sell option and click on this drop down menu and click on whatever you bought. As an example, for us, we bought this USDT, so click on it. And as you can see, this will take us to this page. So simply, I'm just going to go to this get paid via, and I'm just going to type here Cash App. Click on it, and as you can see here, I'll have to enter the currency that I want to. Of course, normally it's going to be like US dollars, so you can select this from here. And offer location worldwide does not matter, and click on Find Offers. Once we do so, as you can see, we will find here a lot of offers. So again, make sure to check the price that suits you and minimum and maximum sales. And of course, with if he's verified and the number of positive feedbacks. And of course, you can even check the trade speed and etc. So if you choose whatever suits you, you can simply click on sell. And here you'll have to enter the amount of USDT that you have or that you want to sell into your Cash App. So simply I'll have whole gear or I'll have to type here 300 that I bought as an example. But as you can see, it's not possible for this buyer because he has limits from 2,000 to 15,000. So example, let's say we have 2,000. So as you can see, you will have to go and add it to your wallet. And of course, there's a 1% fees from Paxful. So just keep that in mind. So if you want to sell this, you will receive this amount on your Cash App. Of course, make sure to go and click on start verification if you are not verified or he didn't verify your email and phone number again. Once you do so, you'll find the sell option there. Click on it, and also you can scroll down and see about this seller. As you can see, he has a lot of amounts of positive feedbacks. He's verified, as you saw before, and he has just two negative feedbacks, which is pretty cool. As I said, you'll normally not find a zero always here, so don't worry if you have like 2, 5, or something like that. Of course, he's ID verified, as verified, so he seems legit. Once you click on sell, you will find the USDT in your account has vanished, and you will have to go and check for your Cash App if you received your money on it. Of course, while contacting him while you are selling, of course, you will have to give him your Cash App account so he can send you to your account. And as I said, make sure to go and check your funds that is well received on your Cash App, and you'll normally be good to go. Remember to prioritize security through the entire process and be cautious with dealing with third-party platforms like Paxful or any other platforms, and ensure that you are using trusted and verified sellers as an example in this one. Additionally, stay updated with the latest security practices for both Cash App and Venmo or even Paxful. Of course, to protect your funds and personal informations. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations. You've learned how to transfer your funds or how to send money from Venmo to Cash App in 2023 using Paxful, of course. And it's important to note that this method may involve risks and it's not officially supported by Cash App, Venmo. So exercise with caution and comply with the terms and conditions of all involved in platforms like in our case Venmo, Cash App, and Paxful. So prioritize also your financial securities. So thank you for watching and we wish you the best in your financial endeavors. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below in our channel and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. If you have any concerns, you can also leave them down below in the comment section. So, thank you for watching again, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.